Model, 2017 Ford Transit 352.0 TDCi 130 Ecoblue L3H1 Long Wheelbase, Luton box van. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 105,261. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, turns over but doesn't start popping from intake. We suspect the Cambelt has jumped. Its timing marks, engine needs repairing. Condition summary, bodywork is in average condition for its age and really wouldn't require a lot to put right. With just a little bit of love, this van could back to tip-top condition and would make a great removals van or even a recovery truck. The interior of this one is in great condition and has loads of life left in it. Great little project with lots of possibility. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,